How to draw an isometric house. First, setting your canvas. This is my finished design. I'm going to show you how to draw this house. First, setting your canvas. I will show you step by step. Okay, the canvas size 2500 by 2500 pixels and DPI 200. And then click Create at the top right. Okay, at the top left, select a tool icon. Then select Canvas. After that, select turn the drawing guides on and then edit drawing guides. At the bottom, select isometric. For the options below, I don't change anything. Okay, set your first layer to drawing assist. Select black color and select your brush. Brush size is 10. And then start to draw the base of a house. After that, create a new layer and start to draw a roof. Remove the line at the base of the house. Then create a new layer and set it to drawing axis. Start to draw a door. And then create a new layer and set it to drawing axis and then start to draw windows. And then do the same thing. Draw another door. Next, I will add dimensions. Just go to each layer and add the dimensions. For the brush size, I minimize to 5. Create a new layer. I'm going to add window on the roof. Create a new layer and set it to drawing axis. I'm going to add a stair. Just 2 steps. Okay, it's done. So next I will tell you tips. I drew each part of the house and created the brush stamp. It helps a lot to create a house differently. So you can do the same. Just look at my tutorial about how to create procreate brush stamps at the link below. Here is my brush set. It helps you to draw a house differently. It's faster and easier. For the last step, merging all the layers and filling the colors. It's done.